How to fix Instagram deleting messages. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Instagram deleting messages. So let's begin. The very first step that I will be teaching you is going to the down detector. So you should open your web browser such as your Safari or Google Chrome and then search for Instagram down detector on Google. So click on down detector and then you should wait for it to load. So right here you may be able to see a lot of reports like this one. So if you can see that there are a lot of reports, then that means that Instagram is having an issue and that explains why your messages on Instagram is being deleted. So what I would suggest is that you should wait for Instagram to fix that issue, and you may also use alternatives such as Messenger, WhatsApp, and many more. You may also try and update your Instagram by going to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. So updating your Instagram will help you fix the bugs or issues regarding the app. Also, one um, feature that I think that you have entered is the vanishing mode. So the vanishing mode on Instagram is when you swipe up on the chats on Instagram like this one. You may send messages, however, this will disappear when you close the chat. So in order to remove or get out of vanishing mode, swipe up like this one, and as you can see now, it will return to the normal message of Instagram. So that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram deleting messages.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.